Oh no. Okay, the connection just dropped. I got the black screen. This is a little sketchy. Oh man, I hope this thing comes back. What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video where we are going to be range testing the Antigravity A1, featuring about 1 million bugs that are swarming around me right now. So we'll see how that goes in the video. But I'm incredibly excited to do this test because in the past, DJI has just been absolute leagues ahead of every other drone company on the market. These flies are rough. Damn. On paper, the max range of this thing is 5,000 meters. If we can actually go that far, I'm going to be insanely impressed. I've got a nice safe route planned here, so we're gonna fly out, push it until it fully loses connection and see how it goes. Also, if you didn't notice, I have like a brace on this hand because I broke my thumb. So this is gonna be a left-handed flight, which should be interesting. I think it'll be fine though. All right, we are locked and loaded. Let's do this. I guess I can kind of use my right hand actually. Cool, so we are off and away. We are at 94% battery. Usually battery is kind of the limiting factor with DJI drones just because their range is so good. But we'll see if that's the case with this. And I will check back in with you guys in a minute, but for now, enjoy the view. I feel like an airline pilot. But yeah, just enjoy this flight. We're in a really cool area. As we're going out, I want to take a second to make a bargain with you guys to hit the like button because it genuinely helps out the channel so much. So if you do hit the like button, I'll put a photo of an adorable Arctic fox at the end of this video. All right, so we are approaching 1,000 meters. And honestly, there's pretty much no lag right now. I can look around. I've owned this drone for a while now and I still just can't get over how much fun it is to use the head tracking feature. It is just so fun. You can keep flying one direction and just look around. It really feels like you're flying. I've said this before, but when you look down, it's actually a bit scary because it kind of feels like you're on the edge of a cliff. But I've flown this quite a bit now, and one of the things that I'm most impressed with so far is actually the battery life. We're at 1,400 meters. Lost our recording. But I've flown this drone quite a bit now. And one of the things I'm truly most impressed at is the battery life. It is at 84% and we're at 1,600 meters. So it's barely gone down at all. The battery life on this thing is incredible. And honestly, it's pretty close, but I think it has the edge over drones like the Mini 4 and the Mini 5. So I'm kind of looking around to see if there's any lag here. We are getting super close to 2,000 meters and pretty much none so far, which is awesome. Yep, there we go. We just hit 2,000 meters. Wow, yeah, seriously, almost no lag at all. This is really, really impressive already. We'll see if we can get that 5,000 meter test. One of my favorite parts about flying drones is just the ability to explore. Literally just gives you a bird's eye view and places that you can't access on foot, you can just fly a drone up to it. It's so much fun. These glacial rivers over here are so beautiful. We are just about to pass 3,000 meters. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna keep this straight line here. I'm kind of hoping 5,000 meters isn't out over the river because I will definitely have no chance of recovering the drone if it does go down, but I think it might be. I honestly wasn't expecting the drone to go this far. We are approaching 4,000 meters. The bugs are absolutely swarming me right now. I'm kind of glad that I have the goggles on so they don't go in my eyes. There we go, 4,000 meters, no problem. Still have like almost no lag, which is crazy. Let's see if we can get 5,000. All right, so we're at 4,500 meters. Wow, still going super strong. Like, basically have no lag at all. And I believe when we hit 5,000 meters, I believe that there is a stoppage, so I don't think the drone's gonna let us go any further than 5,000 meters, but 5,000 meters is insanely far, so you really shouldn't ever need to go further than that. And if you look at the battery, we're only at 70% battery, so we still have a ton of battery left. All right, coming up on 5,000 meters. Yep, approaching flight protection zone. Drone speed is limited. Normal speed will resume once clear. Wow, we just made it to 5,000 meters with the A1. I'm so impressed. And we're only at 70% battery. That is super impressive. So I'm turning back towards us. Ooh, I just got a red screen. Okay, we're fine. All right, so we made it out to 5,000 meters. I'm so freaking impressed with this thing. I've tested so many drones over the years and the connection is just nowhere near the level of DJI. And this is actually pretty close and just makes me more confident flying this drone knowing it can go so far. I am not gonna press the return to home button just because it's more fun to actually fly it. So I'm gonna come back and then I actually think I might have extra battery when I get back. So I am gonna show you guys some really cool waterfalls that are right this direction. Guys do want to color grade your footage exactly like you see here on this channel, I'll leave a link in the description below for my video filter LUTs, which you basically just put on top of your footage and it gives it that cinematic look. All right, so that is the range test Antigravity A1. God, these bugs are awful. We got 5,000 meters, which is incredibly impressive considering this is their first drone they've ever made. If you guys want to pick one of these up, there's a link down in the description where you can get one for a discount, and my video filter LUTs are also linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you hit the subscribe button, because most of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed, because that just helps me make more videos like this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.